Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to exclusively talk on the doubts related to online programming test. So guys, I will cover each and every detail, how you can get exam link, how many question will be there, how much time you have to give, what if you fail to write the exam, how the platform will be, from where you can write those exams, each and every detail I will discuss. Guys, check the whole video in this playlist. I have provided a detailed video on related to NPTEL exam city, hall ticket, as well as the final exam questions. I have also provided the video on how to cancel NPTEL exam and refund related doubts. So check the whole video playlist. And now coming to online programming test. So if you don't know completely what is online programming test and how much score will be and for what types of courses this online programming test is going to be conduct, then kindly consider to go to the Deep Codec Guru YouTube channel and visit the home page, and in home page go to NPTEL exam syllabus video details, this playlist, and then after, okay, so followed by, my net speed is a little bit uncooperative, please cooperate me. Okay, so here you can also check it out, different courses exam syllabus, and coming to online programming test, you watch this video guys, and from this video you will come to know each and everything related to online programming test. Okay guys, and if you also want to know your score of the NPTEL assignment, weekly assignment, then you watch this video. After watching this long video you will be able to calculate NPTEL assignment score like an expert, and you will predict exactly the exact score. Okay guys, so consider to watch this. Again, I would like to add some other information. Already NPTEL 2021 semester enrollment, course enrollment has been started, and if you want to enroll one of the best courses, consider to visit our playlist NPTEL information, and from there you watch this first three video, how to become NPTEL star, how to get NPTEL domain certificate, and how to register NPTEL courses, best courses. Here I have mentioned so many parameters and so many detailed information related to NPTEL. Once you watch this video you will be one of the informed person related to NPTEL information, and you can act like an expert. So consider to watch this video by making your times, and if you think the video length is longer, consider to increase the video playback speed, and after getting the good playback speed you can completely watch this video in the short time. I have mentioned all those details related to the particular content, so the video length is longer, but after watching this whole video you will definitely have no complaint regarding those length of the video. Okay guys, so coming to the online programming test. So how you can get all those details, what are the question is there, let me discuss each and every question, and I have question around 1 to 15 question. So let me discuss each and every question one by one. So at first, date of exam, how to know date of exam. So first you go to this NPTEL page, then go for sign in. After sign in, go to your course, and then after go to announcement session and check it out the exam dates. Even about course, if you click on about course you can see the exam dates for online programming test if your course is programming courses. Of course some courses have no online programming test, like an introduction to programming through C++, programming in C++, or introduction to programming through C++, not in C++. So there is no online programming test for that. So some courses are exception, but for most of courses there is online programming test. Check it out. Coming to exam link, how you can get exam link. Already those link has been emailed you for some courses, and some courses link will be emailed you nearby exam date, and even those dates you will get on the announcement session. However, you need not to worry. Once you go to your courses and see the available slot like week 1, week 2, you will get on the right side of the page. You will get those tabs. You go down, you will see their exam slot, and by clicking on the exam slot you can write those exams. Again, one doubt will come: the time to prepare exam link, those exam slot. Guys, NPTEL don't used to provide those slot prior to exam. Once the timing will reach, like exam is from 8 to 9 or 9 to 10. So if exam is from 9 to 10, exactly on 9 you will get those those link on and notification on those right side. Okay, so on that exam time only you will get, before even 1 minute before you will not get. So don't worry, wait for the exam time. Coming to the question related to number of question in exam, how can we have to solve and how many question you have to solve. So coming to questions in exam, it is completely based on the courses. Courses to courses, the number of question get varies, but the number of question and given time is very fair, and you can write those exam without any worry. Those question is very easy based on the time they given. So you can complete, if you have gone through courses, definitely you can complete exam very nice way in the given time frame. Now, how many question you have to solve? So based on the courses also, this answer will be vary. Like problem solving through programming in C. So there 3 questions had been asked and you have to solve only 2 questions. Even you can solve 3rd question, but they will give you a score for the best 2 score out of those 3. But coming to other courses like an introduction to programming in C. So there they asked 3 questions and those 3 questions was mandatory. You had to solve all those 3 questions. So based on courses, those number of questions and how many you have to attempt gets varies. Those details you will get on the announcement session. You need not to worry. When the exam will approach, you will get those notifications. Coming to how long exam will be. Again, this answer goes vary from courses to courses. For some courses there is 1 hour exam. For some courses there is 2 hour exam. For some courses even 3 hour exam will be there for online programming. So those details you can check it out in the announcement session, as well as about courses you can go and read it out. Coming to the next question, will it be? Sorry, then let me pick the earlier question. Can I write exam from home regarding online programming test? Of course guys, you can write from your home and you can write from the computer center or cyber. Wherever you will get the good net speed, you prefer to write from there. You can also write from college. Prefer good net speed. Coming to next doubt, will it be web protected, navigation protected, or will be any plagiarism concept is there? No guys, there is no web protected exam, as already it is mentioned in the name. Online programming test and also similar name, unprotected programming. So there will be no protection. There will be no web protection, no navigation protection. You can navigate, you can Google it, you can do it. Whatever you feel easy, you can do it. And regarding plagiarism, there is no plagiarism. You need not to worry. All people can submit the same answer. And coming to the there is dynamic programming, statics programming. So if you are also not following their instruction, you will get full score, because NPTEL only used to give a score for the private test case pass. Okay, so if your private test case has been successfully passed, you will get a score and full score. There is some question. You have given the correct code and due to server issue, some of you people unable to run the code, and at end you will get only you had got, some of you had got 0 score. In this case, what you have to do? Guys, this is very sad news, but you can drop the request to NPTEL, you can call to NPTEL and make them request that due to your mistake, due to your server down, I lose my score, please review it and give me a score. You take the screenshot and send to them, email to them, and definitely if many of you do the email, then NPTEL will definitely take it in the consideration and look into and give you the score, because this is not your fault, this is their fault. Due to their fault you are losing the score, though your code is correct, though you are writing correct code and it is showing not able to run, and you submitted the code, and your in that case your private test case will not be passed, and in that case you will not get a score, you will get 0 score. So this is sad news. Be very clever enough and drop the mail. And if your exam is not yet completed, guys, try to complete those courses in the first 30 minutes or first 50% of your given time. If you complete it as soon as possible, you will not face such issue. No, you need not to face server down issue. So you will get the better score, and also you need not to run this, that you need not to also drop them. So try to do as a early bird. Okay, now coming to next question, will everyone get same question? What about question in day and night slot? Guys, yes, in one slot all people for the same courses used to get same question so far. What will be in future, I can't say, but at least this semester NPTEL is going to ask the same question. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this. And coming to day and night shift, the question will be varied. None of the question is going to match. Some of you are also asking, will those questions from our assignment programming? No, guys, those questions will be not at all from the programming, weekly programming bits. Those questions will be freshly and new, so you have to do your own. Also you can take help from different platform. Even we have some WhatsApp group, we are also providing some material for preparation of final exam. So those all link you will find in the video description. You just join our WhatsApp group and you can get more exclusive tips and tricks for NPTEL exam. So consider to join it. Now coming to next question, can I write both slot? Of course guys, you can write both slot, and if the slot in which you will secure the better score, then NPTEL will consider that score. If you write one slot and if your score is 100%, you will get 25 out of 25. Okay, you need not to worry. You need not to also attempt the second slot if your first slot has itself 100% score. Coming to next question, when will online programming test result will be published, a score will be published? This is very simple guys. With end of the exam, with end of the test, you will get a score. If your exam is from 9 to 10, at 10:1 you can check your scoreboard by clicking on a score, and at the bottom you will get also a score. So it is very easy, you can check a score from there. Now coming to the next question, my score is less than 10 out of 25 in online programming test. Will I get certificate if I pass final exam? Will I eligible to write final exam, or can I cancel exam if NPTEL will give any next chance? Next question, will be there any supply exam for it? Guys, coming to first question, if your score is not 10 or more than 10, then you will not get certificate. Even you will secure 100% score in the final exam. Yes guys, you will eligible to write the final exam, appear for the final exam, but at end you will not get certificate because you have not met the requirement of scoring at least 10 score in the online programming test. Okay guys. Coming to next question, can I cancel exam? If NPTEL will give the next chance, then NPTEL will give the clear stand on it, and I hope 50% NPTEL will give the next chance to cancel the exam. If NPTEL will give those chance, you will be lucky enough to cancel the exam and get your 100% refund back. So if you have doubt regarding NPTEL cancellation and refund, check the playlist. I have provided exclusive video on how to cancel NPTEL exam and get refund related doubts. Q&As. Will be there any supply exam? No guys, there is no such provision from the NPTEL. There will be no supply exam for online programming test. Some extent for final exam there is some types of supply exam. If your college is interested, they can conduct, but in that case also NPTEL will not issue the certificate. Your college and a small center will issue certificate. So regarding that, if you want more detail, consider to watch our first video on this playlist, doubts related to NPTEL exam city, hall ticket and final exam. In that I have introduced and addressed this issue very clearly. Coming to next question and the second last question, I wrote correct code but due to server issue I got 0 score. What I do? Already I have addressed this issue. And guys, you have to drop mail to NPTEL, call to the respective faculty and ask them. Even some of you people have got 0 score in the assignments programming. Even your code is wrong due to unable to run issue and their server issue, you have scored 0 score. Then guys, in that case also you feel free to drop email to the NPTEL and call to the concerned TA team and the professor and complain about it. It is your right to complain and claim that your code is right and it is your not fault. It is their fault and you are losing the score. So they must to consider your score and they will review it and give you the score. Okay guys, and now coming to the last request from my side. If you have got help from my side, then please take 30 seconds of your time and like this video, post one comment in comment section and share this video with other NPTEL learner, and definitely they will appreciate you for sharing valuable information related to NPTEL. And guys, also don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have got help. If you have not got help, then feel free to unsubscribe me and sign out from the Coding platform. I hope we will meet again in the coming semester, January to April 2021 NPTEL courses. And I will be there to help you out in assignment and to solve lots of queries related to NPTEL exam and platform, syllabus and so on. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Coding Guru. Happy learning.